Hey, it's Sean Price with Price and Price Realtors with this week's market report for Mclean, Virginia, Vienna, Virginia, and Great Falls, Virginia. We've been seeing a trend over the last couple weeks where, actually over the last month or so, where the market has been declining. I think it's the winter market coming in, and it's a combination of that along with the election. But we saw a further decline in activity, both in inventory and in buyer activity in the last 7 days. So basically what that means is the market itself is slowing a little bit. It has not by any means crashed, and it doesn't look like it's going to, but it has slowed a little bit, and this is actually an opportunity for buyers. So when I do these market reports, the absorption rate is basically how many houses went off the market versus the number of houses that came onto the market. So for example, if 100 houses came on the market and 100 houses sold, then we would have an absorption rate of 100%. Anything above 100% indicates a strong seller's market for that past period, which is 7 days. Anything below 100% indicates that we are more favorable to buyers. It doesn't mean it's a buyer's market, because there's still competition, but it's more favorable to buyers. And you can see from this graphic here, trying to see this in the sun, you can see from this graphic here that we have been slowly and steadily starting to come down, and right now we're at an 89% absorption rate. Last week we were at 96.1%. So the absorption rate's coming down, which means it's becoming more favorable to buyers, and we're actually experiencing that. We were able to get one of our buyers under contract with no competition. He was actually able to get the property at ask versus having to bid above ask to try to get it. And this is a buyer who has missed out on 5 other deals. So it's a great opportunity for buyers. Don't know how long the window will last. It may last through the election, it may not, and pick back up. I don't know. We've seen these things dip and then pick back up again. So it's a great opportunity, great time to buy. It's also a great time to sell because there are buyers out there. Properties are still going for full ask. So if you do need to sell a house, it's a great time for that as well. Okay, any questions, please feel free to get in touch with me, and I will see you on next week's report.